A few days ago, the nice people from OutOfAir sent me these vacuum seal products, and all they asked that I do in return was try the products out. It's been a lot of fun. These are tough, high quality, puncture resistant 4 mil vacuum seal bags. All of these bags are BPA free. They can be boiled or microwaved. Here's some of the cool products that OutOfAir sent me. This is an 11-inch wide roll, and the box has a built-in cutter. Super cool. Same thing here, just an 8-inch roll. These rolls are 100 foot, and they also sent me 25-foot replacements. They can go right back in the box with the cutter. This box is full of pint-sized individual bags sealed on one side, and this is their quart-sized bag. This is really cool. These quart-sized bags are sealed on one side, and the other side has a zip lock. I'm excited to take all these OutOfAir products home and try them out. I've got some garden harvest to put up and some meal prep ideas. Let's get to it. It's wintertime. You might think there's nothing left to harvest here, but there is. Let me show you these beets. This bed of beets doesn't look too great. It got buried with snow, but I call this the dirt pantry. Let me show you what's in there. Root vegetables like this beet will store in the ground, even in wintertime. Just come pick them when you need them. I think that'll be enough beets for tonight. I'll leave the rest in the ground. We're gonna take these home, roast them, and freezer pack them. Vacuum seal them. I'm excited to get home and try out those tough 4 mil OutOfAir vacuum seal bags. Normally, these goodies would go to the chickens. I've got some new customers. The days are short this time of year. There goes the sun. Let's get these beets home, cook them, vacuum seal them. Got some other stuff to vacuum seal too. Let's go. The OutOfAir rolls are going to work great for these beets. And I've got some meal prep ideas for the smaller bags. I'm thinking fajitas. I'll bake these beets at 400 degrees for 2 hours. See you in the morning. It's not always easy to preserve the garden harvest. It usually comes down to a matter of time for me. That's where vacuum sealing can really help. Vacuum sealing is probably the fastest and easiest way to preserve food. It's way less involved than canning or pickling. The beets are chopped and ready for vacuum sealing. I'm going to use this OutOfAir 11-inch by 100-foot roll. The box comes with a built-in cutter. Pretty cool. Cuts easy. That looks like a good seal. I'm putting 2 cups of beets in each bag, and I've already tried it out. They're way too wet to vacuum seal right now. I've got the beets laid out flat on this pan. Now I'm gonna freeze them. After they're frozen, I'll vacuum seal them, and the juice won't be a problem. Beets are in the freezer for the day. They're halfway frozen. Let's see how they vacuum seal now. We got a good seal before that juice hit. Looks good. Sweet, earthy, gotta love those beets. Tastes like sweet dirt. Those OutOfAir vacuum seal rolls are high quality and really nice to use. I really enjoy that box cutter. The OutOfAir rolls work best for putting up large amounts of food, preserving the harvest, filling your freezer. But now I want to try those small pint and quart-sized bags for meal prepping. Even if you're not a gardener, meal prepping is something you should consider. Meal prepping can save your family money and time. There we go. Fajita dinner. And we're gonna vacuum seal and freezer pack some of this. It's looking real nice. Half of that's dinner tonight. The other half we'll mix together, vacuum seal in those OutOfAir bags, the small ones. Meal prep. These are 1 quart bags and they have a Ziploc seal. You can cut and open that up. I'm gonna call this a fajita pack. Take this to work or school. 2 fajitas. The bags work great. I was a little worried about too much moisture, just like the beets had, but I used a different vacuum sealer. It worked good. And then I double sealed it here and here. This time for these fajita packs, I'm using a better vacuum sealer. I do like that little small one. It's good to keep in the kitchen, and the OutOfAir bags work just fine with it. I'm gonna put 1 cup of fajita mix in each bag. I think that's enough for 2 tortillas. Good amount for lunch. And there we go. Juice didn't hit the seal. I'm gonna seal it one more time up here though. Double sealed, ready to go. Make your own fajita packs and put them in OutOfAir bags. Vacuum seal them, freeze them, then take them to work. Bust one of these out when your coworkers are eating Hot Pockets and cheese dogs. Jealous. All you need is one of these, 2 tortillas, maybe some cheese, and your favorite toppings. Let's take a closer look at the OutOfAir bags. Here's the small pint-sized bag. 1 sealed in, 1 open in. And here's a label strip. It's also got measurement marks and a tear strip. Here's the OutOfAir quart-sized bag. Sealed in with a Ziploc. Open in with a label strip. Also got the measurement marks and a tear strip. Here's the OutOfAir 8-inch by 100-foot roll. Comes with a built-in cutter. Pull out your material. It's got handy measurement marks and a label strip. We'll do a test cut. Cuts easy. Same thing here, but this is an 11-inch roll, 100 foot. Same good cutter on the box. Here's an 8-inch by 25-foot refill. You can put it back in that cutter box. And same thing here, 11-inch roll, 25-foot refill. Good products.